What's going on, everyone? So, really quickly, just wanted to give you an update. Of course, we know that the Google algorithm is always changing, Google Maps. And so, anytime I see something new that could benefit either myself or other business owners, I want to make sure that I share this knowledge with you. So, if you have a Google Map listing, this pertains to a business that is showing your address, meaning that you can be a service area business, but you do have some place that people can come and visit, that you will have a pin drop, meaning that if you look up your business on Google Maps, you will have an address displayed. If you go into your back office, as you can see, you click on business information. This is where you could change your hours, things like that. They've added a couple more things, right? Before they had, whether or not you had wheelchair accessible bathrooms, things like that, whether you're LGBTQ friendly, this is something new. COVID testing center, you can click on no. They have offerings, they have plannings, whether you do online appointments, on-site services available. If you do online appointments, you need to make sure that you have a scheduling option on your Google Map profile, a link so that they can schedule appointments. If you do not have that, make sure not to click on yes, unless they can actually schedule an online appointment. Make sure that is checked off. This is a new one as well. Language assistance, American Sign Language. So it's brand new, right? So if you speak another language, or if you have someone in your office that speaks another language, this can be absolutely very useful. Of course, this is very brand new. We're not sure whether this will affect rankings, but we know, and Google knows, that whether or not a searcher is using a different language format when they are searching, meaning that if they are using Google and they are searching in Spanish or Cantonese or Filipino or whatever it may be, right? It's going to give you a leg up. So if you speak Spanish, right, you want to come in here and make sure that you click yes on Spanish, and you want to click yes on whatever language that you speak. It makes sense to me, of course, that Google tracks everything, that if you are Spanish speaking or Vietnamese or any of these other languages, and you have someone that answers the phone that can speak another language, the chances of you moving up in the rankings, if someone has that language as their default language in their search browser on, of course we could test this later, but I would believe that this would immediately almost move you up into the rankings higher than some of your competitors, which will obviously increase the amount of phone calls that you get. So this is something you definitely want to pay attention to. Google doesn't announce these things and say, hey, this is what we're doing now. They're constantly trying to make these things better. But if you're not aware of them, you could be missing out on a huge opportunity. So make sure you go and take care of this, and just click that save button and it'll update. And let me know if you get results or see any kind of results. I'd love to know. Hey, all right. So if this was helpful for you, make sure to share and like. Also hit that subscribe button. Obviously, I put a lot of different types of videos out. A lot of them have to do with digital marketing. A lot of them have to do with business. But some of them are just about my life. But if you did find this helpful, I do try to post videos when I can to help business owners. And of course, if you ever need any kind of help or advice, I really do love helping business owners grow their business, and just really helping people find new opportunities, whether that's making money online or anything else like that. But I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much, and have a blessed day.